All right, I got this degassed. My hand was kind of greasy because I oiled up everything and I didn't wipe off my hand. So I have a paper towel over there, and it helps me tighten or like loosen up that tank valve on top. I'm just gonna put all this stuff down right here. This is all the Umarex tank adapter things, and then this is the this is the salt supply one. You cannot put the salt supply one in the T4E. Those two markers that I have, the HDB and the TR68, it doesn't fit. It goes up too much, and you can't turn it, and you probably won't be able to puncture it. I'm gonna fire off 5 more rounds, or however much is left in the salt gun, because there's still gas in the salt gun, and the salt supply, its degas option is on this, which is not connected. So the difference between degassing on my degassing on my T4E product line is they have that button on the back, so that's kind of a cool option. I mean, Salt Supply probably never intended their marker to be shot with a tank attached to it and stuff. So I'm gonna take all this stuff over here and just I'm holding the tank with the same hand that I'm holding the camera with, and I'm just gonna shoot this, get all the gas out of here. So I'm gonna see how many shots are left with no pressure coming from the tank. This is just what's left in the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That last one felt weak. I'm gonna dry fire this just into the grass. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's still a lot of gas in here. 13, 14, 15. It's starting to die. So yeah, it's dead now. I probably could have shot 2 more mags, but they would be really weak after that 5th shot. It was getting pretty weak. So now I'm not gonna disconnect this because there's still a little bit of pressure in here. So what I'm gonna do is it's gonna slowly wear out this O-ring, but O-rings are cheap. Cheaper and easier to replace than trying to replace the O-ring inside this quick disconnect. So I'm going to unscrew the remote line from the MCS tank adapter, unscrew the end from it, and I will have a little bit of blowback, just a little bit, but this is normal. Like when I played paintball, this always happened when you're taking the tank off of a marker, because when I played they didn't have slide checks and they didn't have like on-offs and stuff like that. So it's still turning. You can hear that hiss. So yeah, it's out now. So pressure's off. I'm gonna take this out. So yeah, that kind of warped my O-ring a little bit. But like I said, I have a lot of O-rings for this. I have more O-rings for this than I do of the of those tank adapters. So I'm gonna put a new O-ring on this, which I have like a bunch of them, and they're cheap. They're like, I don't know if you can get I think I got like 10 O-rings for $2 or something. Tank O-rings, because this is the shape of the tank. So you just get a new tank O-ring, and that will, I mean, it's not going to break every time. It's only because I'm using CO2. I never had issues with the HPA tank because the HPA is not cold, and since CO2 is all cold, it's going to wear out O-rings and stuff. So this one should still be good because I didn't remove the CO2 tank with the pressure up here. I removed all the pressure from the other one, so this one should be fine. It's the same like white O-ring. I think it's like urethane or something. So I mean, it just goes with the territory of using CO2. You're gonna have O-rings getting messed up and whatnot. So that's kind of why I like to use HPA, because it's a lot less destructive to the markers and the insides and stuff. So yeah, this looks fine. That's just oil. The bubbly stuff on the top, that's just oil I put on it before. So it looks fine. But like I said, I have a bunch of O-ring, tank O-rings. And yeah, this thing is It's fine. There's no damage to this. Just damage to the end of the line on the remote line. So I'm gonna put a new O-ring on this, and then yeah, I'm gonna call the video for today. Hope you enjoyed and maybe learned something from this. So later.